Going.
Korean zombie drill. She push kicks, front kicks, deep kicks to keep me away.
I'll do the rear.
Yep.
Go with the rear, Jen. There you go. Lean back into it, Jen. Jen, lean back. Lean back, huh? It's like that bird that drinks water out of the cup. The kick comes forward, the head goes back. There you go. That's what I wanted to see. Much better.
Relax your face.
Nice and light on your feet. Balls of the feet. Balls of the feet. It's just like dancing. There you go. There you go.
How much time left? How much time?
You got plenty. 10 seconds. Stop.